Hello lovelies, let's start crafting and make it till our eyes smile, I like to say. Today joining me for Leeny's Shabby Tuesday is my lovely friend Annalee from Annalee Ashby. You are going to fall in love with her. She's so much fun and outgoing, and her talent speaks for itself. Oh my goodness, what this girl can DIY. I'm telling you, you will absolutely fall in love with her. I will leave the link to her video and to her channel in my description box. And don't forget, tell her Miss Krafty Leeny sent you. DIY number 1. I'm going to take this deer from the 99 cents only store and shabby it up. I'm going to put some of my gold folk art by Plaid Treasure Gold. It looks a little brown, but when it dries, it has that beautiful gold shimmer. I used the Mod Podge, already has glitter in it, silver glitter with it. I put that right on the back, and when it dries, it will dry clear where you would see the gold and the silver glitter. On top of that, while it's wet, I'm going to add some of this beautiful chunky pink glitter. And then I add a little more of that Mod Podge to add some more behind her ears and the head. I keep calling her, but it has antlers, so it's a boy. So now I'm going to use some of these little gems. They're little flower gems, and I got these from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to add them in different spots. Just the little pink flowers. So pretty. Let's glam this up, right? Shabby, glam. I don't know. It's shabby glam. But isn't that beautiful? Oh, so simple, quick, easy, budget friendly, guys. And I'm telling you, if you want some glam with your shabby chic, this is the way to go. I added some more little gems from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add them to her back and in the back of the head of the deer. After I did that, I just got some of this lace ribbon, and it is so pretty. I got this ribbon from Walmart, and it kind of already is ruffled, so it was so simple to just cut it, fit around the neck of the deer, and I'm just going to glue a little dot on there. Close it up. After that was, oh, it's so pretty even like that, right? So now I'm going to add some of this pearl ribbon, and the pearl ribbon I did get at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue that right on the top part of my deer's neck. See, over the pink ribbon and the ruffle. So I'm kind of giving it like a collar. Now this beautiful rosette has already gold on it, and I got this from Hobby Lobby, a pack, and oh my goodness, they're beautiful flowers. And I put the pink one with the gold right there where I glued everything, just so you don't see that seam. Now I'm getting that same gold, and I'm going to put it on the hooves of the deer and the antlers. I did add some on the nose, and after it dries, oh my goodness, is that not gorgeous? So I added the gold to the nose, the antlers, and the hooves. Oh, so beautiful. DIY number 2. Now this deer here I got from Target, and I'm just going to dress him up a little. I'm going to use that same Mod Podge with the silver glitter in it. And I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to put heavy on the Mod Podge, by the way. I was generous with it. And I put it right on the back of the deer. And I'm just going to keep layering and adding. Now I'm going to add some of these little decorative BBs that I got from Dollar Tree onto his back. And while the Mod Podge is wet, I'm just going to sprinkle it all on the back. So where it lands, it's gonna land. If it's not sticking very well, add some more Mod Podge, because it dries clear and all you see is that beautiful silver with all these beautiful BBs, and they're going to go so well and glam it up with that gold deer. And we're going to put this where it's kind of a glam shabby feel. That's what I'm going for. Oops, sorry, that is Cujo, scraps, making all that racket. So now I'm going to add some of these beads that I got from Beebeecraft, and they're really beautiful. There's ceramic with some crystals on them, and oh my goodness, do they shine and sparkle with the light. Gorgeous and very, very beautiful. So I'm going to add that to each little part of his antlers that are out, poking out, I don't know. You get it. You see what I'm doing. So now I'm going to use some of this beautiful iridescent pink ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. Also, it has a backing that you can peel and it sticks, but I wanted to leave that on, and I just used a dab of glue and closed it when I crisscrossed it around his neck. Kind of looks like a really beautiful ribbon scarf. So now I'm going to put some bling on the scarf, and I got that from Totally Dazzled. Love Totally Dazzled, never disappoints. It is so gorgeous. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. And we put it right there with the scarf. So pretty, right? And there you have it. He's already done. We're going to set him aside, let him dry, and look how gorgeous he turned out. Beautiful. DIY number 3. We're going to begin by using these Target glass trees. They are so beautiful. They're a blush pink color. I thought, how am I going to dress these up? And I thought, let's shabby chic glam them up. So all I did was get this ribbon from the Dollar Tree, peel the back. I love that it already had an adhesive backing. So all I had to do was peel it up, or peel the backing off, and put it right around the base of the tree, and voila. Isn't that gorgeous already? You can leave it like that, or you can go another step further, which Miss Krafty Leeny did. So now I'm going to add this large pearl to the top of the tree. I hot glued it, but if you want it to have a very strong bond, add some E6000 or some Gorilla Glue, super glue with your hot glue, and bam, it will stay that way. Very strong bond, I'm telling you. I know I talk funny. Sorry, I talk weird. So now I'm adding some of this beautiful fabric lace ribbon that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue to the top underneath that pearl, and then just wrap it around the tree and then glue the bottom. I left it loose. I did not glue it all the way around the glass because I'm going to add these beautiful little silk rosettes that I get from Target. I love the little colors. They're soft, and I don't know, it gives it that shabby chic feel, kind of gives it a vintage Victorian feel. I don't know, that's how I visualize it when I use these. So all I do is add a dab of glue to them and glue it right onto the ribbon as if it was a rose garland around our tree. I added some with 2 and I added 1. I think it turned out beautiful, a soft, shabby chic feel with a modern touch. So now we're going to take the smaller glass trees and we're just going to add some of that fabric lace ribbon just to the bottom. I always put a dab of glue And I like to start where I start in the center, and then I'll put one on the side, another dab on the other, so I put on all 4 sides. After I was done gluing that ribbon, I just added some of my Beebeecraft beads that are ceramic with the crystals right to the top of those trees. And voila, they were done. DIY number 4. We're going to take this beautiful acrylic deer from the 99 cents only store, and we're going to give it a shabby beautiful feel. So here we are adding it's a leftover piece of fringe ribbon that I used on a previous DIY project. And this was a scrap that I had left, and I thought, this will fit perfect around his neck. So I just added a dab of glue to one end of the ribbon, and then I added one more dab of glue and just closed it up. So now I'm just going to glue 2 rosettes right there where the seam of the ribbon meet. And after I glued those 2 rosettes, I added one of those beautiful Beebeecraft beads, the ceramic with the beautiful crystals on there, just so everything matches. I like doing that because I think when I'm doing a tier tray, they all match, or I'm setting a setting up on a table or on a shelf, they all look so in sync together. I hope that makes sense. But absolutely beautiful. I'm happy with the way it turned out. Oh, gorgeous. Here is our final look. So beautiful. Shabby beautiful. I love that it has that modern, shabby chic, glam feel. Very happy with it. Let me know. Do you like DIY number 1, DIY number 2, 3, or 4? Well, I hope you enjoyed what I made for you today for Leeny's Shabby Tuesday. Every Tuesday, I do Leeny's Shabby Tuesday, where I'm joined with one of my lovely, talented friends to bring you some shabby beautiful. So visit me every Tuesday for Leeny's Shabby Tuesdays. I also have another channel. Go check that one out. It's called Leenys World. If you love decor and lifestyles on a budget, go visit me there too. I really love to see you there. I post weekly videos. It was my pleasure crafting with you all today. Hugs, kisses, and fairy dust wishes. Be kind to yourself and others. I'll see you in my next video.